Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact Excel workbook you want to change. You must have edit permission. Once open, make sure the workbook is not read-only and that any shared editing session is closed because protection options can be limited while shared. Save a backup copy now. This prevents data loss if something fails. Then, navigate to File Info to find protection controls. This is where Excel stores the current password and removal options, so keep going to the next step. Once you are in Info or the Review tab, choose Unprotect Workbook or Unprotect Sheet and enter the current password when prompted. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so type carefully. If the workbook uses separate sheet protection, you must unprotect each sheet individually. Navigate to each sheet and use Review Unprotect Sheet. Make sure macros or add-ins are disabled if they interfere. After protections are removed successfully, save the file before applying a new password so you have a clear state to resecure from. Now you will reapply protection by choosing Encrypt with Password under Protect Workbook. Type the new password, then confirm it when prompted. This double entry prevents typos. Use a strong passphrase that you can remember. Consider combining words and numbers and avoid trivial patterns. Save the workbook, close it, and then reopen so you can verify the password prompt appears and the new password unlocks the file. If the password fails, restore the backup you made earlier and repeat these steps, checking caps lock and input.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.